mundo se cansa. Hoje eu ando devagar.
I always tell to my family and friends, if I don't play football, I work with music, I think, because I like so much.
Se é pra que tanta pressa, não adianta correr. No final dessa conversa você vai me pertencer. O sem a hora é essa.
This was, funny and was good. We make some improvisation, of course. We enjoy this time and I feel good in that time. Our technique is similar like dance because we have some move in the body that some another countries don't have. Football, dance, I think they can be together.
It's not easy, but it's not impossible. I think in Brazil, when we're born, we have this. Because the children with 4 years old, they can do everything also.
Brazilian players, we don't, when we are in school, they teach first to play with the ball. They teach score goals, they teach technique, they teach everything with the ball. Because of this, sometimes some players from Brazil, not all, but have some problems in Europe, because here is hard football.
I was living in Portugal and it's too much different. But here, something is like Europe, and another thing is like Soviet Union, like before it was, yeah. And but here it start to be like Europe, The peoples think like European peoples, and also the country start to make things like European country, and this is good, This is. One time must change. Here is Europe now, and I think if change it will be good for Lithuania, for everybody. We need to pay. Here I have some things, not important, just papers and something that I don't put out in the trash, I put here. So we can go.
When I come was difficult. First because I don't know how to talk English, and also because it's cold, and also because football is different. But then later I start to play good, I start to score goals, and the people start to like me, to look me different. The people start to respect me. I must work. I don't have another choice. And I think everything for work good, for play good, that if I do this everything all right, I think my life outside from the pitch, will be perfect.
Kad ir koks puikus būtų gyvenimas užsienyje, reikia būti pasiruošusiam tam, kad teks daug ką paaukoti, tęsė Rafaelis. Aš gyvenu toli nuo namų, nuo šeimos, nuo draugų, todėl turiu išmokti pozityviai žvelgti į tai, kas man yra svarbiausia.
One thing that I feel good here is that I play football. You know, this make me happy and make me strong for this sacrifice. You know, these bad things that we have in the life.
Vladimiras Romanovas patarė man užsiimti boksu, pasakoja Rafaelis Ledesma. Po kelių treniruočių supratau, kad tai man labai tinka, stiprina mane tiek fiziškai, tiek ir psichologiškai.
Always we must fight in the game, in the life, everywhere. And here is new fight for me. I hope that I can learn something for myself also and for football. All the life we fight with problems, against everything. And I hope that will be good for myself.
Ledesma įdomus žaidėjas ir dėl jo verta padėti, pasistengti. Bet yra biški problema pas jį su fizika, kur mes ieškom būdų, kaip pakelti jo fiziką.
Aš galiu sužaisti rungtynių epizodą techniką ir greičiu, o kitas futbolininkas fizinių pajėgumų, aiškina Ledesma.
I have my limits. I don't have a very good physical condition, but I always try to be 100% in the trainings, in the games.
Mes ją padarėm, pasamdėm trenerių, kurie pabandys jį išvystyti jo fizinių gamumų.
Boksas, jisai duoda ištvermę, duoda judrumą, duoda žmogų pyktį. Jisai truputį tapo ištvermingesnis, truputį fiziškai stipresnis, truputį judresnis, koordinacija geresnė. Kadangi aš matau, kad jisai Ledesma turi valią, turi norą, viskas kils.
Mes turime 2 valandas treniruočių per savaitę, kalba Nerijus Navickas. Tai didelis krūvis. Ledesma universalus sportininkas. Jei jis nuspręstų užsiimti boksų profesionaliu lygiu, tai esu tikras, jam pavyktų.
When I stop football, I will come to box. My mother, of course, she is important for me because, you know, my mother, she gave me everything when I was children, and not just my mother, my father, my sister, my grandfathers, all my family, they help me and they want to see my future, how I am now. They are the most important thing in my life. Because of this, I'm here and I play Europe.
Rungtynės su Škotų Rangers buvo nepamirštamos, pasakoja Rafaelis Ledesma. Visa Europa matė, kaip žaidžiame. Turime kuo pasigirti. Nepaisant to, kad man nepavyko įmušti įvarčio, iškart po pergalės mane pasveikino visi giminaičiai. Man smagu juos pradžiuginti. Ir dar po kiek laiko pas mane atskrido mano mama. Jos rūpinimasis, kaip ir anksčiau, man labai padeda.
Só que o temperinho brasileiro que faço comida especial para ele. Ele gosta de lasanha, de massas, de feijão, comida brasileira assim, típica. Ele gosta e eu procuro fazer, né?
Be buitinių rūpesčių aš tvarkau Rafaelio archyvą, renku visus jo interviu, nuotraukas, rungtynių fragmentus, pasakoja Elenir Ledesma. Rafa gyvena Lietuvoje jau beveik 2 metus. Per tą laiką jis priprato ir prie vietinio gyvenimo būdo, ir prie lietuviškos virtuvės. Kaip tikras profesionalas, jis pakankamai greitai prisitaikė prie Lietuvos čempionato ypatumų, nepaisydamas natūralaus gamtinių sąlygų skirtumo tarp mūsų šalių.
Sim, porque ele tem mais criatividade, assim, mais... Eu não sei se é porque eles têm... é mais quente no Brasil e anda mais à vontade. Não sei, é diferente, eles têm mais molejo, mais habilidade, não sei porquê.
All the time we need some improvisation in the field. And always when I play football, I try to do something different. I don't want to be the same. And because of this, I tell about improvisation. We must make this on the pitch. And I think if we make it, we have success in the football and in the life also.